An interesting fact about me is I love to watch the NFL, but I've never had the opportunity to actually attend a game. Hi, my name is Ethan Benson, and I'm a project specialist. My day-to-day consists of getting to the shop around 6 a.m. I assist with loading up the truck with any material that I need to. We usually head out, usually at the job site around 8:30. I usually prep and assist with anything that needs to get done, whether it's holes or prepping material, making sure where it needs to be. I help customers with any sort of issues or concern they have with what we're doing, whether it's lift or install. I give them the full rundown and how it helps them in the near future or in the late future and how it assists them. Yes, I love my job for many reasons. Clearly, I've never done any sort of foundation work before. So with me entering this process, it was a lot different than what I'm used to. I find a lot of the process we do to be pretty helpful, and it's always a good feeling when you see a homeowner happy after the lift is done and you know they're not going to have any more settlement issues with their home. The most fulfilling part of my work is going through the process, and after doing the lift and making the homeowner happy and they love the end result, it's always a good feeling knowing that they're not going to be concerned or worried about any sort of settlement issues on later dates. The most exciting thing a customer experiences with our crew is the whole process and the questions they have, and making sure they're happy. It excites me when they're actually concerned with what we're doing because I can actually run them down. And my end goal is to always make sure they're happy with what we do with whether it's helicals or whatever install we're doing, and making sure we can always fulfill them with excitement with the end result of the lift and any other process that we have with them. What I like to do for fun, I love to be around friends, family. I love to watch movies, play games.